Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find out the location of a person on your iPhone, or how you can share your location. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes, write your comments. Let's get started. So, in order to share location, we need to go to the application that is the default on all iPhones. It's called Find My. But if you don't have it on your work screen, like I do, then you can find it by swiping down on the screen. We'll get a search box here. And we say Find My. We'll get an app at the top. We tap on it, it opens up. And here we have a person who has already shared their location with us. And if we want to share our location, then we need to click on the plus sign. Then we select Share My Location. And then you and I need to select the person we are going to share with. To do this, we can either lead as he is signed in our phone book, or we can click on the plus sign and then select that person. You can also select multiple people at once in the same way. But I recommend that you always share your location only with people you 100% trust. This is either your close relatives, parents, or your close friends, whoever has it. The main thing is to make sure that it doesn't lead to any trouble or any repercussions, only with people you trust. So, after you have chosen a person, we press Send. Next, we are asked for what period of time we want to share our location. It can be for 1 hour, or it can be throughout the day until the end of the day, or it can be indefinitely share your location. I'm going to go with 1 hour. And as we can see, I'm now sharing my location with my contact. So what else can we do? If we click on it, we can stop sharing our location by clicking Stop Sharing Location. Then we immediately stop sharing the location. Also here we can see the time, how much time we have left to finish. I also recommend that if you want a person to share their location with you, then I recommend that the person whose location you want to know by doing exactly the same thing as I just shared. I haven't shown you all the way through how you can delete a person, stop sharing your location with them. To do that, you click on the person went into this app, shared their location with you, and then you will know exactly where that person is. Stop location, and then we confirm this action. And as you can see now, we do not have the person. That is, we have stopped sharing our location with him. I hope this video was useful for you. You learned how you can share your location or how you can track a person. Find out his location on iPhone and thanks to what application it is done. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.